So we have here a Murphy CBH1500, a mega Chippie channel, and I think most of you know that these hum like nothing at all. I've done the capacitors in the power supply, I've done the capacitor on the main board, so it's going to be better. Two of the capacitors were duff, so it's definitely going to be better. The radio's doing a full 4 watt output. The customer asked me if I'd look at these meters. I've looked at the meters. The left hand one is actually open circuit, so it's burnt out. The right one, the mechanism has jammed, and I have got it such that it will twitch. So at least you can see it's transmitting, but the mechanism is jammed. They're very, very cheap meters. You know, I've said on the repair video, these base stations was £69.99 from Comet. I bought one. So it's a Spirit 40F transportable set in a big box with a power supply. So, you know, it's a walkie-talkie as a base station. And there's been one or two of those, haven't there? Like the Cobra SOS became the Comtel base station. See, Mr. Chippie, I've done a new mic so we can test it, but the customer did send another mic, an ordinary mic, but I don't think it's quite compatible with the insert. So we'll do that at the end, but it sounds pretty muddy to me. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. I don't need to. It's a base station, this, so I don't need to plug an extension speaker in because there's no socket for one.
Alright, roger that. Just let me set the cam up.
Roger. So it's not going to be very visual, is it, without the meter working? But it is lit up, for what it's worth.
Right, off we go.
Roger Dodger. No tone control on this one.
Well, we haven't even got to that point yet.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio there's no tone control.
Really?
Roger.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Not surprised at this time, we're late.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Where's it got you going through Ancaster Crossroads?
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Murphy CBH1500 base station, which is a Spirit 40F hand portable in a big box, and I am using a standard replacement microphone, ready to sing a full 4 watt output, over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Just on now. Roger, going over Wilsford level crossing. How are you doing?
Yeah, just coming up to the temporary traffic lights. I didn't call you in at Kelby, did I?
No, negative, that's why I've queried it.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Murphy CBH1500 base station, and on this standard replacement mic, I can't tell you what the current consumption is because it's mains powered. So it's got low power on it. It's set at 250 milliwatts. It's fixed. Can't do anything about that. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power. Now doing 250 milliwatts. Setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Could still hear you at low power, a bit noisy, but there you go.
Can't be bad, that's great. Happy you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Level crossing.
Yep, 139.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked quite well. And I will say 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 139.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked quite well. And I will say 10-10.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Right. Yeah, well, I'm fine. So, yeah, shame about the meters. And so you've got to appreciate this is a cheap set. So I don't want people to rush out buying them for far too much money. They were $69.99 new. The mail-order catalogs, I think we're doing them at $99.99. So that was 250 milliwatts, just making note of that. So, yeah, there we are. We'll go through to our base station, and then we'll see what it sounds like with the customer's own mic that I've wired for this radio.
21, testing the Murphy CBH1500 base station with the standard replacement mic, doing full 4 watts, and let's go to low power. Probably hums less with that. There we are on low power, testing 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 250 milliwatts back on low power. That is the hum test. We'll go to their microphone and see if you can actually hear me on it.